Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is math for beginners, arithmetic, class 30. Title of this class is partnership problems. Define if two or more than two persons work together in a business. Uh, it is called partnership. We want to solve the problem of this kind of word. First one, question 1, example 1. We write the example here. A, B, and C started a business by investing 120,000 RS is Indian rupees. 35,000 and 150,000 RS respectively. Find the share of each out of an annual profit of 56,700. It is also RS. Now we want to solve this question. First, we want to find the continuous ratio A colon B colon C. A, we have 1,117 120,000 and 135,000 and 150,000. We multiply each of them by 10,000. How much? 10,000. Also they 1,000 by 1,000. 3 zeros, but by 30 cancel. 120, 35, 150. Again we can divide it by 5. 12 divided by 5 2 times. 20 divided by 5 4 times. 2 70. Also 3 5 0. Again we can multiply by divide by 3. 24 divided by 5 8 times. 27 divided by 3 9. 30 divided by 3 10. Now sum of ratio. Sum of ratios is equal to 8 plus 9 plus 10. It is equal to 27. We now want to find per share. Per share is equal to how much we have? 56,700 multiply by 27. 327 56 divided by 27. Here we will have 21. Also again 51 34 54 we have 2 25 27 1 21 0. It is equal to 2100. Share A is 8 is equal to 8 multiplied by 2100. It is equal to 0 0 8 16,800. B's share is equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 2,100 is equal to 0.00918. C's 0 share is equal to 10. 10 multiplied by 2,100 is equal to 20,000. 21,000. It is the solution of this example. Second example, Raju started a business investing Rs 45,000. After 3 months, Peter joined him with a capital Rs 60,000. After another 9 months, Ronald joined them with a capital of Rs 19,000. At the end of the year, they made a profit of 16,500. Find the share of each. Now we want to find that. Here we have Raju, colon. After Raju we have Peter, colon. After Peter we have Raju, Ronald. The capital of Raju 45,000. Multiply by 12 because 12 months, 1 year he worked. Another one, the capital of Peter is 60,000. Multiply by its time. Time he worked 6 months. Capital of Ronald is 90,000. Multiply by its time 3 months. 3 months he worked. Now here 30 cancel. We have 45, 60, 90. All divisible by, okay, we want to write 45 multiplied by 12, 60 multiplied by 6, 90 multiplied by 3. Now by 12, here we have 6, here 45, 60 divided by 12, 5 times 5 multiplied by 6, 30. 12, 90. Here we have 3. We have 90. It is divisible by 12. We want to see that. 3 multiplied by 9, 27. Multiplied by 12, 2 times 24, 3. It is not divisible. We cannot divide by 12 by 6. We have to multiply by 6, divided by 6. So 2 times by 6, 45 multiplied by 2, 60. When we multiply 6 divided by 6 one time, 45, because 90 multiplied by 6, 15. 15 multiplied by 3, 45. Here we multiply by 5. 2 multiplied by 45, 9. 1 2 12 9. Again it is divisible by 3 2 3 4 3. Six, 4, 3. Now sum of ratio is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3. It is equal to 13. Per share is equal to 16,500 multiplied by 13. It is equal to 1,300. 1,300. Now we want to find each share or S share is equal to how much? 6 multiplied by 1,300. It is equal to 6 multiplied by 0 0, 6 multiplied by 3 18, 6 multiplied by 1 we have 78,000. Piece share, Peter share, we have 4 multiplied by 1,300. It is equal to 0 0, 4 multiplied by 3 12, 4 multiplied by 1 we have 1 plus 4 5, 52,000. Or Ronald share is equal to 3 times multiplied by 1,300. It is equal to 0 0 9 3, 39,000. It was the solution of this example. Thank you from your watching my video. Then next it was the end of arithmetic classes. Next time we will start pre-algebra, and we also will explain the syllabus of pre-algebra in that class, and also we will study pre-algebra, intermediate algebra, and advanced algebra also. Thank you.